Contrary to what our good Prime Minister is saying, I'm not misleading the House. I know my facts because I've done my homework. Also, namikam todoglo here. So, with respect, I think the members of this honorable House deserve to know what is actually happening. You know, good bla loy. You tromem hap talk loya na toko se mi pla kisi wan bla monina. Bian mi pla by go back na check what in Treasury blo mi pla. And when we go and we actually find out that the funds didn't come. Then mi pla by come back in na mi pla by Painim Treasurer, knock lodo blong, ringing Finance Minister, we cause all kinds of headaches for these two ministers. So all I'm asking for is a reconciliation. Because my understanding, when I read the final budget outcome, na Prime Minister, I'm correct. Final budget outcome emlo last year. Maifo emlo this year. Me not talk also tupla same report. One talks about the past, one is indicating where we are going. So, ask him blomi emolsem. Suppose lo next report become lo final budget outcome long, hopefully lo March next year. Me like looking one bla reconcile report name lo Treasury na finance. Because while Treasury can come na talk, oh look at me working work blow me. All get a warrant me writing penis. You all get a kissing money. But then we find that provinces haven't received the funds. We find that the TFF hasn't been paid to the schools. We find that the PHAs all do not see money belong all operate. So make him na force mipla member, mipla leaders belong isipik, mipla sit down long. Last November na mipla use him DSIP long by Marasinken.